Hello friends, today we are going to learn what is fill handle in Excel. The fill handle is the small square at the bottom right corner of any selected cell in Excel. For example, this is a selected cell. So my cursor is now in I6. Okay, this is a selected cell. And now there's a small square. See here, black color. In the bottom right corner is called fill handle. Now, what is the purpose of fill handle here? The main purpose of fill handle is to drag or copy a formula. For example, now adding Kavya score, English score plus mathematics score. Now I entered this value. Now tell me, if I want to calculate Manoj's score, that is I'm adding Manoj's score, that is English and mathematics. Should I write formula again? No. You have to write the formula. What you can do is keep the cursor in I6, simply drag. Now you see here, my cursor is showing now white color. The plus sign is in white color. This is my cursor. I'm shaking the cursor here. Now I'm slowly dragging this cursor to a small black spot here. The cursor changes to plus sign, black plus sign. This is called fill handle. Simply double click. You will get the formulas are copied here. For example, see the formulas are copied down. Double click. You can double click also. Or suppose, again, I am just subtracting two values. So click the active cell. The active cell here is J6. Now I can simply press and hold and drag the formula. So you can use double click or you can simply drag the formula. Again, multiplication. So I can keep the cursor in active cell, that is K6. Just simply go to the black point, double click. Now division. Go to the active cell. The active cell is L6 now. Simply go to the fill handle, just simply drag. So this is called fill handle.